This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Sourakakone. Welcome home. This fully furnished home is move-in ready. Great open floor plan with plenty of space to spread out. Enjoy the huge backyard with privacy to grill and chill. The washer and dryer are included. Rent includes internet. Highly desired location close to schools, shopping, hospitals and restaurants. Easy access to major highways. Don't miss this great opportunity. For more information, review the details below.